Today I want to talk about this travel society. If you have never tried this one, this is definitely something that you want to take whenever you're traveling. If you have already your carry-on and you usually have another bag on here, which I work at the airport and this is the typical combo that people get when they travel, me included. And one of the most annoying things is that this bag keeps falling. Probably I have this one right now that has a little bit more stability, but it's also heavy. So sometimes running around, I want something to help me carry this around. And this is why I got this Travel Society and the box and how it comes. And it's very nicely packaged, which I absolutely love. And so glamorous and fancy. And also, look at this. What I like about this is that it's magnetic, meaning that you can utilize it in any bag. It also is stretchy, so that way it is adjustable for the bags that you need to travel with. And in this case, what you need to do is that it comes like this, and these magnets are very strong, and you're just gonna put them together like that. So the way that it's supposed to work is to have it like this, meaning that you're gonna put some of the magnets in the interior of your bag and the other ones on the exterior over here, so that way just clamps together. So let's just try it out. And this is the way that it's gonna be over here. So we're gonna go ahead and put this one over here and this one over here, and then this one over here, and there you go. So that way you can just travel with your bag and have this, and it's not gonna fall. So that's something that is very important, that it's not gonna fall. You're gonna be able to travel with it, moving in the airport without any problem, and that you're not scared that this is gonna fall or anything like that. It's really nice, and you just can run to your gate with your two bags in this combo without any problem. So that's something that is much appreciated, and you can utilize in different bags depending on the one that you decide to carry with you. You can just put it away, and it's very easy to store, which is another of the things that I really liked about this product. So I hope this information was helpful for you and that you enjoy the product as much as I am every time I travel.